guys, Danielle here with GLI's educational series, If I Can Do It, So Can You. Today we're back in the pool and we're gonna show you how to unbox your new GLI liner. And I've got Mr. Brian Frost here to help us with the process. So let's dive in.
We've got it sitting here at the brake line because this is a very big pool. If you look at the box, it has arrows that are designed to be pointed towards the shallow end because of the way that we fold the liner in the factory.
Okay.
So you can start in the deep end or you can start on the brake line here. And because this is such a big pool, we're gonna start on the brake line.
Okay, so we're gonna start here and we know exactly where we're supposed to put our liner and we're gonna go from there. All right, so now we know where the liner goes. Brian, let's show them how to properly open the box so we don't rip the liner.
All right, this is a vinyl liner. So you want to avoid using knives or utility knives or anything like that when you're opening up the box. Definitely suggest a pair of scissors.
Okay.
So you're going to cut the straps. And then we're going to lift the lid.
Okay. Woohoo!
And then you can see here, if you come up a little closer to the liner here, the way that we fold these, first off, we put some protective cover in there, so when the lid goes on the box, it doesn't scratch the liner. But you'll see an arrow right here, again, pointing to the shallow end, so that tells you which direction to unfold this liner.
All right, so what the guys are gonna do here is we have this really strong box tape that's keeping the box together. So they're gonna go around with their scissors, they're gonna peel it off so they can open up the box, and they're really gonna deconstruct the box right here in the pool.
Yep, flatten it out.
Flatten it out. Okay, so the guys have taken the liner out of the box, they've moved the liner away. Now they've given me some very important information that you guys really need to give to the homeowner. That is the no diving sign. You want to put this up. This reminds people to be safe by your pool. And also the warranty instructions, your care and maintenance, all in this little envelope. There's also stickers, lots of really good things that you want to put out beside your pool for your safety. So make sure to give this to the homeowner. They definitely need to have it. Okay, so we're about ready to unroll this liner and get it ready for install. But before you do, one of those things that you might forget about is take the stuff out of your pockets. Do you have a knife? Do you have a set of keys? Something sharp, take it out. If you got a ring on, if you got a watch, take it off. The last thing you want to do is unroll this liner and accidentally cut it because you had something in your pockets. Also, no smoking when you're installing your liner. This is vinyl. It's flammable. Do you want a hole in your liner because you were smoking? Come on, you know better. Let's go. So now the guys, and they're super strong because this baby's 320 pounds, are gonna start unrolling this liner. They're gonna pull one whole side. Whew, that's heavy. Then we're gonna go to the other side. We're gonna do it over here. Again, you want it to be a nice warm day. If it's cold out, it's gonna be harder for this liner to be able to move. Okay, so we've gone ahead and we've unrolled the liner. You're gonna wanna look now right underneath the bead for your shallow end sticker. This is gonna tell you you've got it right. So if you're not wearing Crocs or water shoes, take off your shoes. You do not want to go ahead and rip the liner. So take them off. Bare feet, socks, Crocs, you're good to go. Okay guys, so now we know how to properly unbox our liner. Check out our next video for how to install it.